Yak Backpack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. Let's go bowling. Tip, tip them over. What's on this? This is a bunny. This is such a cute bunny. And this is the month of May. Say it with me. May, the month of May. Okay, let's set up our pins again. And then we'll go bowling. Here's our ball. Let's see what we tip over. This is a bear, a blue bear. And this is milk, milk. Do you like to drink milk? Milk. Okay, let's set up our pins again. And then we'll tip them over. And here's our ball. Let's go bowling. Tip. This is a cat. A cat. And this is macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese. We call this mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Let's go bowling again. Let's set up our pins. And here's our ball. Tip. Oh, we didn't get one. Tip it over. This is a mouse. Look at this cute mouse. And this is a mixing bowl. Mix, mix, mix. This is a mixing bowl. Mix. Let's go bowling. Look at the raccoon. It's a green raccoon. And this is a man. Say it with me. Man. Man. Okay, let's get the last pin. This is a blue bunny. A blue bunny. And this is a mom. A mom. The mom loves the baby. A mom with her baby. A man. A mixing bowl. A mix. The month of May. Macaroni and cheese. Milk. Milk. Bye-bye.
Yak Backpack. Yak Backpack.